Well, what do we have here? Get in there, girl.
It's so fucking
It's puking now. We caught you.
I was like, what is that one doing to the other one?
I thought it was playing like a dog would. Oh, we made it to this sweet Icelandic canyon, and it was quite the road. And I was telling Kaylee that I don't really worry about the tires on some of these roads because I grew up with this sweet thing called a Renault Car. And you'd be surprised where that thing would go. Like, I don't have any footage of it. It's the car at the end of the movie, Dude, Where's My Car? It's a Renault Car, like one of a kind. I thought it was amazing. It was one of the first cars I ever drove, and if I could ever track down another one, I would get it because it had 3-lug tires, all that cool stuff. But for this van and these tiny little tires, I don't worry because I know what they can handle. They can handle a lot more than you think because we put that car through hell. So anyways, that's my little Renault Car story. We're about to hike into this epic canyon. We made a mistake and drove in a spot that was not accessible for like the iconic photo. So we had to backtrack and come back this way, and then we're gonna head up there. Did homeboy just see your cooter? No way. Am I stepping in something?
No, I'd be right there.
I'm gonna fill my water bottle up out of this shit.
That's a good idea.
It's probably better than the diesel.
Diesel water.
Yeah, I don't know if we've touched on this or not, but in our van there is a diesel jug. Ping! And this fucking diesel jug. No. Wait, I'm gonna start over. Okay. Take 2 on the diesel can water jug. I don't know if I've talked about this, but it upsets me. So I'm drinking water the other day with Kaylee while in my own jug, and I'm like, oh, she's like, I need a drink. And so I knew something was up. Something was definitely wrong. And I'm like, it might taste like swamp water. It's something, I can't necessarily put my finger on it. But, and she grabs my water jug, takes a sip, and she's, I hadn't washed it in a while. She's like, oh yeah, something's definitely wrong about it. And we're filling up out of this water jug that comes with the van. I swear to God, somebody ran out of gas. Somebody before us that rented the van, and they used that as a diesel jug because the van's diesel. So now, and you know, I'm not even complaining because I continue to drink it. So that's that. The water jug's a diesel jug. Maybe I'll get a discount at the end of this trip. Maybe not. hiked from that really cool canyon. I hope you guys like them drone shots. We had to stop, fill up our water bottles. The water's tasty. Now we're gonna go fire up the van. We're not quite sure where we're going, but we're gonna get together a plan. Apple.
Aho.
We're getting in super late. I don't know, what time is it?
11:28.
11:28 at night. And we're parked at a hot springs. Smells like sulfur. We're gonna crash out, get up in the morning and soak. Hopefully we can soak tomorrow at this awesome looking hot springs. Good night.